Hello, I'm Marcus Meyer with Gator Cleaning Solutions. Today we will be telling you how to get wet smell out of a flooded carpet. After your carpet is completely dry, what you would want to do is take baking soda and spread very generously throughout the area that was wet. Let that sit for 1 to 2 hours to help extract any dampness that is left in the carpet. After that, you will take a regular vacuum cleaner, vacuum up all of your baking soda. You will want to throw away your vacuum bag after that process is done. If you do have any smell that continues, you can take a plate of vinegar and set in the room. You would like to close that room off and let that sit in that room for a few hours, and that will help extract any smell that is left in that room. If this does not work, contact your local professional. Again, this is Marcus Meyer with Gator Cleaning Solutions on how to get wet smell out of a flooded carpet.